very nice. I don't think this is fairly deformed.
Asfaltskött i Lahden Nova.
Today is the 16th of July 2025. We have Aleksanterinkatu 7 saying. So here it's B and C are also the same one.
Yeah. Yeah, probably.
They forgot to write again on that. I know. But inside it's
Yeah.
So Otis who built it 2002, Otis 1000, using recipe 1E3325 and the capacity is 13 per so 1000 grams. And I cannot remember this, so it has not been filmed.
Yeah.
Was in Lahti, Finland. The city center.
Yeah. I was there 8 years ago, but I didn't have time to film it.
Ah. There are 10 floors here. You always talk about it on there. Seven. You pressed seven.
Yeah. Yeah, strange. Inspected paikkiväis, that maintain boats on no descriptors.
Mistakes can happen here.
Yeah. That's good to have that agreement. Yeah.
that's it. Thanks so much.
That's